Alright, we just came back and have our afternoon tea. Very relaxed.
Yeah.
No.
Mommy, do you hear?
Yeah.
Shush.
Oh.
Who's calling you? Go. Find it. Okay. Look, 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 look. I said look, 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 look.
I'm gonna take a picture. Bye. What if it's not an animal? What if it's a human? What if it's a plant? We're going on the game. But you're cheating.
One or the other. Both. How do
Got
you?
my maze back. So.
I love this porch. It's absolutely stunning. Don't you love this porch?
I love it.
It's better.
What's better is we get the super awesome hotel and roof.
And roof. 我哋同你哋介紹下我哋嘅 home away home 就喺 Kenya 嘅 Nairobi， 大家睇下我哋嘅 living room 啦 ，living room open style plus dining room 啦喺呢度啦，呢 dining room 都可以坐到閒閒地坐到16個人㗎。
仲多啊，有好多位嘅。
係啦，咁咧你行過嚟呢度咧，咁有好多 sitting area 啦。咁 fireplace 呢個係 real fireplace， 我哋喺 Long Island 嗰個
都係 real 嘅，都係 real 嘅。
都係 real 嘅，
係我哋
但係呢個咧就好特別嘅。咁咧佢所有嘅擺設咧，空咗嘅 egg yolk 同埋所有嘅 egg 嘅啫，得個殼嘅啫。
嗯。
咁咧呢度咧就係一個 bar 啦。
係啊，too bad 我唔識飲。
呢個就係我哋嘅 bar。
係我啲朋友嚟屎火咯，我個印度朋友。
咁咧呢度上去咧就係我哋嘅 bedroom 啦。
好靚㗎。
好靚好靚嘅。
喂，上去睇下，而家。
home away home， 我哋嘅 second home， 你成間屋都係我哋㗎，冇其他 guest。
Once
呢啲
again，
art 咧 ，by the way， 唔係我㗎，我唔會啊。
Where's the dinner?
Oh, not yet. I'm giving a tour. Okay.
Who?
I don't know for anybody. This is our home. 嗱，呢個係master bedroom。
真係，哎呀，搞亂咗啦， 有蚊帳。
呢度就係 master bath。
好舒服㗎。
咁嗰度有個 stand shower 啦。
係啦 ，hello。
咁咧，而家夜晚睇得唔係好清楚。
哇，係
咁
啦。
我出邊有個好靚嘅 porch 嘅，好大嘅。嚇！咁咧呢度咧就係我嘅 walk-in closet。
真係 walk-in closet。
咁
嗰個
好
我
羨慕咧，我去到邊都有個 walk-in closet。
我嘅底褲，好舒服㗎 ，Uniqlo 嘅，7蚊9.99。
嗱，呢啲 art 都唔係我㗎，冇誤會。
有另一間房。
係個 guest room 嚟嘅。呢啲所有嘅 closet space 啦。咁 guest room 嘅
廁所喺度，應該喺度。哇！
好靚，非常之靚嘅木。
我最中意木㗎啦。
啲細路仔嘅房嚟嘅。咁佢哋有好多 choices 嘅啲細路仔。
因為佢哋，
因為
我哋包晒成個。
個 guest house 係我哋嘅，所以佢哋學可以瞓呢度啦。
佢哋好好啊。
或者陣間我帶你去睇佢哋另外一個地方。呢個 bathroom 我好中意嘅，因為
我未入過嚟啊。
呢個好 modern 嘅 bathroom， 即係其他比較有木啊咁樣，但係我都中意。細路仔咧係可以，我呢度係另外一個。
唔係喎 ，full bath 嚟㗎 ，full bath，nice。
咁咧，佢哋咧就我覺得喺邊度？
上去應該開到嘅，好靚啊！係啊，呢度夜晚咧，就我琴晚喺度瞓啦。夜晚咧就好多嗰啲，聽唔聽到啊？出邊 夜晚咧我直頭瞓唔着，第一晚，不過好舒服，好似 outdoor 咁樣。
係啊，但係有舒服過 outdoor。
舒服㗎，因為係咯冇蚊啊咁就係咁咯。
咁呢度仲有一個呢個 hiding space，啲細路仔一定好中意。
嗯哼。Loving it.
Love it.
Yes. Oh,
Stick here, let me divide it for them. Alright.
look at this.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Sit down.
guys. Thank you, Victor.
Me?
Yeah, we will divide it. Look.
This is not mine.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Don't worry. You can try this chicken. I think you'll like it. Don't say
This is
no.
Ruth, our wonderful friends who took care of us. Very nice. Yes. Yeah. We're gonna miss Ruth.
Hey.
Ruth is teaching Lok how to cut a steak.
You hold the
Mommy, what
like you hold the meat with the fork. Then
Can you be patient? It is risotto.
Good. Alright. More cooked today, but very good.
It's very good.
嗱，之後日頭咧我已經錄過㗎啦，但係咧夜晚咧有另外一番嘅景象，所以我就再介紹俾大家。呢度咧就係一個 French door。French door 一打開，一放兩放三放床嗰個 dining table 一打開就係呢個 porch。
好舒服㗎。
It's beautiful, beautiful,
It's all yours.
beautiful.
係成個 nature。有少少險。
check out this? Daddy, can you take a video of me?
Already, I'm taking video. Shh. You heard the sound?
Yes, like
Right. After a full meal, 我们还是要吃这些东西。
who?
You, Coco, you take in already. It must be good, right? Homemade, huh? Wow.
Love it. Can you save me some as well?
No.
This is the bed. See, look at the pillow. Look at Coco's pillow. Is it comfortable?
It's not even like straight.
Yeah, before. This is an ancient bed, you know that?
No, this
Okay.
can't be bed.
It is a bed. Okay, thank God. Our vacation just started.